So we're going to introduce an activity called Are We There Yet? And it's a game that you can play. The purpose of the game really is looking at subtraction to 1,000, but you can adjust it and make it to 100 or make it to a bigger number or even use decimals. What we're really trying to look at is starting to understand that subtraction is not just taking away, but it's also the difference between two numbers. So they can start to use a strategy called add instead. So what we're going to do is you'll need 3 dice. I have 3 10-sided dice. Regular dice will work just fine. And you can actually just use 1 dice and roll it 3 times if you want. So go ahead and roll the dice.
You got that.
And with those dice, you can put those digits together to make any number you like. So 876, why don't you record that so in case the dice move, just write that down.
876.
Okay, and what we're doing is we're going on a family trip, and so we need to go 1,000 kilometers. So go ahead and draw our line of our trip that we're going on. Yeah, and at the end of it, 1,000. Wow, you have a big line.
Oh my.
1,000.
I don't even know if that's.
And we've gone so far 876. So drive along this line. Where do you think we'd be about? Driving. Yeah, that's probably good. And we're going to actually make this a little bit looping so you can kind of see the jump that we've made. So if you kind of jump like that from here. All right, so now we're at 876, and you'll just put a mark right here, and we'll record below that that's how far we've gone. Okay? Now your job is to figure out how much further it is between where you are and how far you want to get. So can you think of a way that you could break that apart and get to an easier number to start?
I know many how much you away.
What's an easier number? What's the next number, the next 10-digit number from 876?
I'm not telling you. I don't know. Olivia, go first. I don't even know.
What if you were trying to get up to 880?
Yeah.
Oh. So go ahead and go to 880. Go ahead and go to 880. Yeah, so it's a little jump, right? And write 880 below. And how far did you go to get to 880?
4.
Yeah, so write a 4 on the top, just above it. So there you go. You've gone 4 so far from this spot. Now let's see. What would be another easy number to get to from 880?
Plus 20.
Yeah, do plus 20. I'm going to come over here. You're a lot closer now, aren't you? And what are you at now if you've gone 20?
No.
What are you at? 900, right?
That's going to be a really small number.
Yeah, I do this sometimes too. It gets all squished on accident. That's okay. It's okay because it's like you actually would probably be more down here, right? Because you're 100. So you've gone 4 and you've gone 20. Now how many more do you need to go if you're at 900 to get to 1,000? Okay, so 4 and 20 and 100 is how far you went overall from 876 to 1,000. So can you add those numbers together?
124.
124, that's right. If you were going to redraw this one, that jump, could you redraw that so it would look a little... Yeah, there you go. Very good. All right, so the way that the game works is you would do that, and then you could just pick the dice up and roll it again and do the number again.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Roll now.
Thank you, girl.